following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to discuss how to administer an estate in Illinois. So if you're the executor or next of kin for a deceased loved one, the first thing you should do is figure out if probate is necessary. We have some articles and videos on that, so I won't go into detail about that here. If probate is necessary, you have to file a petition to be named executor of the estate, basically to have something called letters of office issued, which gives you the power to administer the estate with the probate court. If probate's not necessary, you need to fill out a small estate affidavit, which you can get from the probate court's website. And that's an affidavit basically saying that probate's not necessary and you're the person in charge of the estate. So you'll next get an EIN for the estate and open up an estate checking account. You'll bring your letters of office or small estate affidavit to the bank along with the death certificate and the EIN number, and then you can open up a checking account for the estate. You're going to want to keep very good records about everything every check written off of the account and any amounts received into the account. And you're going to want to manage receipts in the following way. They should be deposited into the checking account. Any excess cash that you don't really need just to manage the day-to-day affairs of the estate should be invested in either an interest-bearing account or another investment. And checks in the deceased individual's name should be reissued. And sometimes with pensions or retirement accounts, you'll have to return the checks and have them sent back to you. The next thing you'll do is once you've set up the day-to-day management of the estate, paying, keeping utilities going on real estate, opening up the checking account, getting named executor, the next thing you worry about is payment of debts and other claims. So debts and other claims have to be paid. Any liabilities of the estate have to be paid before the heirs and creditors. If you are in a probate estate, you're going to want to wait for the 6-month claim period to elapse so you know who all the creditors are. There might be creditors you're not aware of. You don't want to start paying out people in the wrong order. So again, you wait for 6 months if you're in an actual probate estate. If you're outside of probate, you can start paying off debts a little bit more quickly. Either way, any claims or debts should be paid from the estate checking account that you opened. You can pay small routine bills even in a probate estate immediately after having your letters of office issued, so you don't have to wait 6 months to pay routine bills. Major debts, again, have to be paid after that claim filing period to avoid liability. So once the debts are paid, the next step is to distribute any remaining assets to heirs or legatees. Heirs are people that are paid from an estate in the absence of a will, according to state statute. Legatees are people who are named in the will as beneficiaries of the will. Personal property should be distributed according to a will or a trust. And by personal property, I'm talking about physical, tangible objects. If the will or trust does not specifically say how that should be distributed, you should work with the heirs and legatees to determine what they want to do with it. They can either divide the property amongst themselves physically or have it sold, but typically anything that's not a family heirloom you can sell, liquidate through an estate sale, and then divide the proceeds among the heirs and legatees as necessary. We have in the article that's associated with this video, learn-about-law.com, a lot of tips for day-to-day estate management and financial management of the estate. They're a little more detailed than we want to go into in this video, but there's a lot of what to do and what not to do in just the routine management functions of the estate. The last thing at the conclusion that you want to think about is there's a whole set of tax returns also that you're going to have to file. There's a separate set of income tax returns for the individual involved. There may be an estate income tax return. There may be an estate tax return. So there's a complex level, about 6 potential different types of tax returns between the state and federal level that you may have to file. We have an article and video about the taxes that you have to pay when someone dies that talks about this in detail. So if you have any questions, please leave them in our comments section underneath this post or in on our YouTube comments section, and we'll try to answer them within 24 hours. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation, give us a call at 630-324-6666. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, iTunes, and SoundCloud, and thank you so much for listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.